Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you about face rolling. And of course, I'm gonna also be showing you how to properly use this tool in order to get all the benefits that it has to offer to achieve a radiant, healthy, youthful complexion. This is a very popular facial massage technique that's been around for centuries. And recently, because of this boom of self-care and skincare, it's been just practically everywhere. The origins of a face roller go back to the 7th century in China, where this was used as a beauty tool and also as an instrument to bring back that qi or energy to the body. It is believed that each crystal has its own energy and healing properties, and they have been accredited as well to have some physical and chemical properties, which provide different benefits for different skin types. Nowadays, you can find face rollers made out of different crystals, different stones. Among the most popular, we have jade stone, rose quartz, and amethyst. Jade stone is believed to provide calm, positivity, and balance. Physically, it's better for achieving those firming, lifting results as it smooths out wrinkles. It also sculpts the muscles and tightens the skin. Rose quartz is known as the love stone, and it channels love and positivity, and it's been accredited to have some anti-aging properties by the ancient Egyptians. This crystal has a very cold temperature and it has the capability to retain it. So this cooling benefit will reduce inflammation and redness. Known to reduce tension and relax facial expression, this is great for softening the appearance of fine lines. Next, we have amethyst crystals. These are known for fighting negative energies and stress and great for promoting clarity and relaxation. It increases circulation, calms redness and inflammation, and encourages cell regeneration. It also has detoxifying properties on the skin, reason why it is highly recommended for blemish-prone skin types. Other benefits of the face rollers are that they release the tension on the facial muscles. If you think about it, we're constantly using our facial muscles through our facial expressions when we talk, when we eat, and so they are under a lot of stress and they get really tense. So this face rolling technique could really help out in releasing that tension. This is a wonderful facial tool to give your face that lymphatic massage in order to drain those extra fluids and get rid of those toxins. It increases the penetration of your skincare products as you are pushing and pressing the product into the skin. It also increases circulation, diminishing the appearance of those fine lines and just giving you that very sculpted, brighter, radiant complexion. How to pick a good face roller. I know it's really overwhelming nowadays to try to pick one of these face tools because the offer is just huge. But you need to focus on finding a good quality face roller made out of true crystal, and just be aware of those who are made out of tinted glass. When to use a face roller? You can use a face roller in any step of your routine. Personally, I like doing it during my morning skincare routine because of its depuffing properties. So it helps to drain those extra fluids from my face. And I like to do this right after my serums. Another time that I really enjoy using a face roller is whenever I do a sheet mask in order to push into the skin all that goodness and beneficial ingredients. Now let's go over a couple of points so we make sure that we're doing this correctly. It is important that we understand what are those drainage points on your face and your neck so you can determine the flow of the massage. So we have two drainage points here right next to the ears. So we need to direct the massage from the middle of the face towards those points. And we have two more points right here, right underneath of your collarbones or your clavicles. So whenever you're gonna do your neck, you're gonna direct the massage downwards. I do recommend you to have some sort of serum or face oil on, just to add some sleep and make it easier for the face tool to roll over the skin. When using the face roller, you're gonna go over each area maybe from 3 to 5 times, and you can apply a little bit of pressure so I can really get rid of those extra fluids and release as well some muscle tension. Please don't roll back and forth. This is not what you should be doing. You are rolling out and lifting. You want to drain those toxins, those extra fluids out. I like to keep my face roller in the fridge for an extra cooling effect, but this one in particular, the rose quartz and the jade stone rollers, are very cold on their own, and they keep the temperature very well, so it's not really necessary. But for me, I really like doing that. I just enjoy that extra cool, refreshing effect. And that's it with this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If it was like that, please, as always, don't forget to give it a like, to share it, and to subscribe to my channel for much more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!